Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the gear review on this channel. Today I'm gonna be reviewing my Royal Enfield riding jacket. So let's get started. Okay, so first I'm gonna start off with the construction of the jacket. The jacket is made up of 90% mesh and 10% 600D polyester, and it is also abrasive resistant. So in case you ever happen to take a fall, then the mesh is gonna protect you from all kind of bruises or scratches that you might get. Okay, so now let's talk about the protection on the jacket. Since this is the riding jacket, it is supposed to protect you from the elements on the road, and it is supposed to protect your body in case you ever happen to take a fall. So for that case, it comes with Nox armors on your shoulders and even your elbow and even at your back. The back is not a Nox armor, it is a hard foam patch, and the all the armors on the jacket are replaceable. So in case you want to upgrade it to a level 2 or level 3 armor, you can buy it separately and install it in the jacket. Now jumping on to the usability of the jacket. Since you might be knowing, I live in India and here we get all the four seasons. So in that case, I have purchased this all season jacket, and this is an all season jacket, so it means that it can be worn in any season. So for that case, it comes with winter liner, rain liner, and your mesh panel, which is for your summers. So in case you wanna ride in summers, then you can take the liners out, and the liners are totally removable and washable. So in case you want to take the liners out, you can use the outer layer, which you can see as a summer jacket, and when you're riding in winters, you can put the liners back on and you can ride in winters. Now here I would like to call out one thing. As you might be knowing that I live in Delhi, and the Delhi are known for the harsh winters. So for that, I have been using this jacket for past 2-3 months, and it has protected me from the harsh winters in the Delhi, and I can safely recommend this jacket. Okay, so now let's talk about the comfort of the jacket. The jacket is doing all the necessary stuff that it's supposed to do, but what about the comfort and looks? That is one thing that I was keeping in mind while buying this jacket. The jacket comes with velcro tabs on your biceps, on your waist area, and on the bottom of the jacket. So as we all know that one size does not fit all, the jacket or the velcro tabs you can buy, you can adjust the velcro tabs according to your build and body. So you can buy one size small or one size large of the jacket, and you can adjust the jacket according to your build. So all in all, I would say it is a really cool jacket, and I would highly recommend this jacket for anyone who is planning to buy their first jacket. Now I have covered all the points and the features of this jacket. The one last point that I have for this jacket is the price. Now the price of this jacket is approximately 7,000 rupees here in India, depending on the discount that you might get. So it is not cheap, but it is also not expensive. So if you are planning to buy your first jacket, then I would highly recommend you to get this jacket, because it is an all season jacket, so pretty much you are covered for the whole year. And for a beginner or someone who is planning to buy their first jacket, I think this is the one to get. So yeah, with that said, I hope you liked this video. If you want to buy this jacket, the link will be in the description, so go ahead and check it out. The jacket comes in two colors. The one is the black, which you are able to see behind me, and the one is olive green. So pick the one which you like, and the link will be in the description below. So yeah, with that said, I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, a thumbs up would be appreciated. And as always, let nothing hold you back in life, and always keep moving forward. And I'll see you in the next ride. Bye bye.